How to log into your Bank of America account online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or the Safari. In the source bar, search for Bank of America login. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one, online banking. It will land you on this interface. In this page, what you want to do is, first of all, enter the user ID that is given to you while creating your account. Once you are done, enter the password of your account that you have created before. Well, if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on Forgot Your Password, and then you'll be able to recover your password again. Once you are done, tap on Login and you'll be successfully logged into your Bank of America account. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log into your Bank of America account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.